Look no further than the 2020 Nissan Rogue. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, power liftgate, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.